How can I check my PNR status using my booking reference?
Hello there. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can check your passenger name record, PNR, status using your booking reference. PNR status allows you to view your booking details and current status of your flight. Let's jump right in.
What is a booking reference?
Your booking reference, also known as a PNR code, is a unique identifier of your booking. It's a 6-character code made of letters and numbers, which you receive when you book a flight. This is an essential piece of information for checking your PNR status, so make sure to have it on hand.
Where to find your booking reference?
You can find your booking reference in the booking confirmation email or SMS that you received after booking the flight. It's usually mentioned as a booking reference or PNR. If you have a printed ticket, it might also be on that.
How to check your PNR status with your booking reference?
Step 1. Visit the website of the airline you're traveling with. Step 2. Look for an option like Manage Booking or Check PNR Status. This is generally located in the top menu or at the bottom in the footer. Step 3. Once you're on that page, enter your booking reference or PNR number in the appropriate field. You may also need to provide other information, such as the last name on the booking. Step 4. After you've filled in the required information, click on the button that says View Booking, Check Status, or something similar. That's it. Your current booking status should be displayed on the screen. And there you have it. That's how you can check your PNR status using your booking reference. I hope this video has been helpful and clarified the process for you. Safe travels!